the far reaches of the northern Drakensberg, where mist crowns the mountains and rivers carve secrets into stone, a path awaits those with courage in their hearts and dust on their boots. Forged by nature's hand, older than kingdoms, the great escarpment stands, eternal, untamed, calling. From the highlands of Mpumalanga to the hidden ridges of Limpopo, each step is a tale, each summit a victory. This is no ordinary trail, it's a quest. One trail to bind them all. The adventurers, the dreamers, the wanderers who seek more than a view. Those who walk to remember and those who walk to discover.